looking up?
Nothing.
Shit. What did you just say?
Sorry.
What are you looking up? What is that?
It's a video on how to burp louder. It's kind of embarrassing.
Why would you want to learn how to burp louder?
It's really embarrassing.
What classroom are you in?
Yours.
And what are you supposed to be looking up? What do you have due?
Homework.
Mm-hmm. And how much homework?
A lot.
Yeah. And what is this?
That's my soda.
Soda in class? Oh,
Excuse me.
since when were you allowed soda in class?
I'm not.
You swear, you burp, you're looking up stuff other than your homework, and you have soda in my class.
I'm sorry.
I don't think you're sorry. Do you want to know how to burp? Do you want me to burp? I will show you how to burp. Good. Now, why don't you look up your homework assignments?
Yes.
So while you're doing that, I'm just going to start burping and burping and burping. And we'll see if you disrespect things in my class again.
Sorry. I had a lot of that soda. I was trying to...
You're not supposed to have any soda in here. And what did you find out about techniques on burping?
I just got far enough to see that you have to chug a lot of Dr. Pepper. It's apparently the best burping tool.
So let's hear. Let's hear your burps. You're studying it. You should be a pro burper by now.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Come on, let's hear better than that. If you can burp louder than me, then I will not send you to the principal's.
Okay. You sure it's okay?
Come on, it needs to be louder than that. None of these little teeny burps. I want a ginormous one. I want one that shakes this room. Nah, still not good enough. I know I can do better than that too. Do you want to be sent to the principal's office?
No. Sorry.
Then keep burping. I say you can laugh. Sorry. Keep burping.
It's kind of making me sick. I don't think I can do that good.
Yeah, you can.
I'm kind of sick right now. I don't think I can get louder than yours.
I think you can. Do you want to go to the principal's office?
No.
A little better. Just don't throw up in the process.
Trying not to.
Keep going. Keep going. You're going to burp all day, and you're never going to want to burp again after this.
I'm already feeling like I never want to burp again. Oh, that was a good one. I don't think it was as good as yours.
Keep going.
I'm trying so hard. I don't want to go to the principal.
I need one more phenomenal burp. It can still beat mine. You can do it.
Really got a stomach ache.
I guess next time you won't be looking up things in my class that you're not
I
supposed to
won't.
do.
I'm sorry. I'll do that all at home.
Keep burping. Oh, that was good. Maybe I won't make you go to the principal's office. That one was pretty good. Keep burping. Keep burping until I tell you to stop. I got a good one for Rowan.
Oh.
Better.
God.
I got one ready to come out.
Do I have to keep going?
Yes.
Mine are all gurgly now and garlicky.
I hear you complain one more time. I'm sending you there.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Start looking up your assignments and keep burping. Keep burping. You don't have to look at me. Just keep burping.
Oh.
Not bad. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh, wow.
I've got like heartburn.
Did I say you could talk? All I see you can do is burp. You've been practicing this quite a bit, haven't you?
I have. This is a newer technique, but I've learned some other ones.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to learn some?
Maybe.
Really?
Tell me one.
If you sit really straight, take a deep breath and like open your mouth and flex the muscle on the back of your throat. Air just kind of goes in there and then you can... I feel weird doing this in front of you.
You should. Well, if you stand and you have air coming out, that will also help.
How do you know that?
Because it's an obvious thing. Stand and watch it come out.
That feels better on my stomach to stand.
And that always helps too, of course.
Oh, I'm just getting really bad heartburn. It's like burning when I burp.
I didn't say you could complain. I said to keep burping. Better?
Well, you're the teacher. Do you want to teach me another technique?
Just take air and suck it down. Take it in and like you're swallowing air.
Okay.
They're not that loud usually. It takes a while to build up.
Ooh.
There you go.
Short but loud. Much better.
That works really well. All right. You did a decent job. Now get back to your homework.
Okay.
And if I see you looking up anything else without me telling you you can, you're going to be in trouble.
Okay.